Hello everyone. Today's question is flood fill. An image is represented by a 2D array of integer, each integer representing the pixel value of the image from 0 to 65535, given a coordinate SR SC representing the starting row and column of the flood fill and pixel value new color. So flood fill the image. To perform a flood fill, consider the starting pixel plus and pixels connected 4 directionally to the starting pixel of the same color. As the starting pixel plus any pixel connected 4 directionally to this pixel also with the same color as the string pixel, and so on. Replace the color of all aforementioned pixels with the new color. At the end, return the modified image. Now we will understand this problem statement using this given example. So in our example, SR is 1, SC is 1, and now our starting pixel value is 1. So now we replace the value with new color. So as you can see, we'll change all the value except the 0 value, because 0 is not our starting pixel value. So we check 4 directionally from our starting pixel. If the 4 directionally connected value is equals to our starting pixel value, then only we will change the value with the new color. So as our in our output, you may think why 1 is not changed. So 1 is not changed because 1 is not connected with any starting pixel. 4 directionally not connected any starting pixel which value is equals to 1. So that's the reason why 1 is not changed. So now we will understand it in pen and paper. Now we will understand this problem using this example. So our image matrix is this, and our starting row is 1 and starting column is 1 and new color is 2. First we find out our current color in starting row and starting column position. So our color equals to starting row and starting column, there is 1 1, we check 1 1 position, 1 1 is this, so our current color is 1. Now we check our current color means starting row starting column color matched with new color. If it is matched with new color, then we will simply return image as our answer. So now as you can see in these questions, so in this example our current color is not matched with the new color, so we will perform certain operation. So first we will take a queue. First we will take a queue and we will take 4 direction that is, so this is a 4 direction. We check in this 4 direction. Now we take a while loop. First we assign, before while loop we assign this starting row and starting column into this, append this starting row and starting column into this queue, and now we check कि our queue is empty. So no, our queue is not empty. So we pop the left element from this queue and assign it in row and column. So now our queue is empty. So now we add new color in this coordinate, row 1 and column 1 coordinate. So our row 1 column 1 coordinate value is now 2. So now we check in 4 direction. Iteratively we check in 4 direction. Using for loop we check this 4 direction. First we check row -1 and column -0. So that is 0 1. So 0 1 within this matrix scope, 0 1 means 0 row and column 1, that is this. We add this value, we check this value is equals to color. Yes, this value is equals to color. If this value is equals to color, then we add it, append it into our queue. So now our value is 0 and 1, and now we check our next direction, that is 0 1 minus 0 minus 1, sorry, plus 0 plus 1. So 1 is, one value is minus, so now 1 is 1, and now our value is, row is 1 and column is 2. Now we check our matrix. Row 0 and sorry, row 1 and column 2 value, row 1 and column 2 value is not equals to color, so we don't append it or add it in our into this queue. So we check our next direction, that is 1 0 plus 1 plus 0, so that is 2 2 1. So we check row 2 and column, row 2 and column 1 value, sorry, so row 2 and column 1 value is 0, so again this value is 0. So if the value is not matched with the color value is 1 and this value is 0, so we don't append it. So now we check 0 minus 1 plus 0 plus minus 1, so that is 0 row 1 column 0. So row 1 column 0 means this value is equals to color. Yes, this value is equals to color, so we add it into our queue. We append this value, that is 1 0. So now we reach the end of this direction. So now we go to this while loop. Again we check our queue is null or not. As you can see, queue is not null, so we pop out the left element from this queue, and assign this in R and C. So our R is 0 and column is 1, and iteratively we check for all this matrix value. Now our value is 0, row is 0 and column is 1, and we assign our new color into this row 0 column 1, row 0 column 1. That using same logic we will apply new color inside this matrix, and whenever we reached row 2 column 0, then there will be no condition satisfy to add value inside this queue, because we change all the value as our new color. So our image value is not matched with our color, because we change the value with our new value, and other value is, as you can see here, the other value is 0 0, and then our queue will be empty. So we will return our answer from that place. I hope you understood this problem. So now we will move to the coding part. First we check our current color. Current color is image, starting row, starting column, and now we take a queue and we append and we import it from Python collection library, and now we append our starting row and starting column value inside this queue, and now we take a direction list, direction -1 0 0 1 1 0 0 -1. So now check if color not equals to new color. If color is not matched with new color, then we will go to this while loop and check queue is not null, and we pop out the left element from this queue, and then again assign the new color into this R and C coordinate. And now iteratively we check four direction, and if it is matched, if the four direction value is equals to our new color, our current color, then we will add it into our queue. And if it is within this matrix scope and the value is our current color, then only we add this coordinate into our queue, otherwise we will not add. So if image r plus dx means direction x-axis and direction y-axis equals to color, then we will append this coordinate into our queue. At the end of this program, we will return a image matrix. I hope you understood this. If you have any problem, please comment below. I will help you as soon as possible. Oh, okay, sorry, that's my bad. There's curly braces issue. Sorry, it's braces and comma in direction. Yeah, that's all. I will check again. Yeah, running successfully, and we'll submit it. Yeah, got accepted. If you have any problem, please comment below. I will help you as soon as possible. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video.